Hello and welcome to my channel. Join me as I relax my hair at home with these few steps. So I'm just showing you all the things that I'm going to be making use of. This is the box of relaxer. I use the olive oil relaxer. This relaxer is very nice and I'm using the normal, not the super. I would love to ship in this. If you want to maintain a healthy relaxed hair, try not to relax your hair all the time. It can be once in 6 months or once in a year. Nothing below that. If your hair is very thick, do it every 6 months, which is 2 times in a year. I don't mind 2 times in a year. So this is the guide. Make sure you read the guide if it's your first time. This is not my first time of using this relaxer, so I already know the steps to follow. That's the missing stick and the gloves. This is styling cream, that is moisturizing cream. This is the styling mix. So I'm just showing you everything that is inside the pack. This is the condition, and this is the shampoo to wash the relaxer off. This is the relaxer base. So this is the base for relaxing your hair, and this is the activator. I will just go ahead and mix it. Just watch me as I do it with a very easy and few steps.
For you, I'm building oasis for you. Let's write a story of love and make it true. I'll build an oasis for you. 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 I'll build an oasis.
I am about to start relaxing my hair, and I'm just going to start from the middle. So whenever you want to relax your hair, start from the part that is very thick. We all have that very spot that is like thick and very strong than all other areas of the hair. So first of all, I will just take my hair cream and rub it all throughout my edges so that I will not burn my skin. So I will just do that and also rub it in my ears. I will proceed to start relaxing my hair. I'm going to start from the middle of my hair because that's the strongest part. That place is so strong, and I find it difficult to comb. So I will start from there so that that place can start like relaxing and my hair won't get burnt. So for you not to burn your scalp or for you not to damage your hair, make sure to always start from the strongest parts of your hair until the softest part. So just watch me as I do it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Also, I'm going to ship that when you are relaxing your hair, the trick is massaging and combing. So if you want to have a properly relaxed hair, you have to massage and comb very well. So just watch me, and I hope you learn 1 or 2 from this video.
What we have is different, we can make it last. I give you good feelings and you make me laugh. If love has no ceilings and hope has no flaws, then let's stay together. Help me open up the door to you. Come tell me all of your dreams, we can make them true. I'll build an oasis for you. I'll build an oasis for you. Let's write a story of love and make it true. I'll build an oasis for you. I'll build an I'll build an oasis for you. I'll build an oasis for you. You write the story and I'll make it true. I'll build an oasis for you. I'll build an oasis for you. We're like perfect weather on a day in spring. Since we've been together, you're my family. I know I need you. It's us I adore. I'm learning how to listen.
So right now I'm almost done relaxing, and I'll just do the same thing with the other part. After that, I will just take a small comb and comb my edges very well for it to be very much well relaxed. And then I will go ahead to wash it with the shampoo and conditioning. So this after doing that, after washing it and conditioning it, and I'm just going ahead to style it. You can go ahead to use your hair dryer, but I'm not going to use a hair dryer for my hair.
Good feelings, and you make me laugh. If love has no ceilings and hope has no flaws, then let's stay.
I got the perfect result, and I hope you learned one or two from this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing, beautiful videos from me. Until I come your way next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
True. I'll build an oasis